Hey everybody, I'm live here at Victoria Falls, our new listing here in Sterling. It is just absolutely gorgeous. If you can see behind me, extremely well decorated as well. So I am gonna flip this puppy around so you can get a better view of not just me. Here's the kitchen. Awesome. Check out the deck. Perfect for sitting outside. We've got a fan all ready for summer eating here in the kitchen when it gets hot and we're cooking. We've got the perfect nook for reading over here. And trying to move slow here so you can see, or working, or bill paying. Nobody likes to do that though. And just sitting over here by the fireplace. Beautiful hardwood floors, as you can see right here. I'm gonna head downstairs. Upstairs we've got some great bedrooms, but I'm gonna head downstairs first. All right. Here's our basement area. Another desk. Working at home is easy, or homework for the kids. We've got a great backyard out here. And fun things to do for kids of all ages. Gorgeous wood wall down here. This goes with the house. Not all the beautiful furnishings do, but this wall does. Circling back around, we've got the foyer area. We've got a great half bath right here off the foyer. There I am. Hey. And light filled as well. And this is the door over to the garage. So we're gonna take it back upstairs. Isn't this exciting? Here I am again. Bye. We're gonna head back up the stairs in this gorgeous home. We've got 3 bedrooms upstairs. Everything is impeccably decorated, impeccably taken care of, well maintained and loved. Here we go. Gorgeous master bedroom suite. So we've got walk-in closet, which is great. Lots of space. And then we've got the bathroom. Awesome. Here we go. We've got a shower, stand up, or take a soak. We're gonna walk out of here and head over to the other bedrooms. Oh, we've got massive here. Let's take a pit stop over here. We've got laundry on the upper level. Who loves that? I do. I know I do. It means I don't have to schlep it up and down. That's an awesome feature right there. And heading into the other full bath up here. So mom and dad have their own space, kids have theirs. We've got bedroom number 2. Also has a great closet here. And the reading nook. My kids would absolutely love that. We're gonna walk our way out of here and head on over to bedroom number 3. Also has a great closet. Beautiful sunlight streaming through the window. So cute, babies are sleeping in here. Heading back downstairs. So that's it. We are in Potomac Falls. Come see me. I'm here for a couple of hours on this Saturday afternoon. There's balloons, there's signs. It's not that hard to find us, find me. And I hope you guys are having a great day. If you know anybody that you think would love to live here, I know I would, send them our way, okay? Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.